Children, this is really very, very good sum. Indeed, very good one. When you read it, you will also realize it. Yes, it's indeed a very good one. If m times the mth term, so what is Tn? A plus n minus 1d. Then what is Tm? A plus m minus 1d. That is what the mth term is. So those who feel, oh, what is mth term? How we have nth term, which is Tn, likewise we have mth term, Tm. If m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term, show that m plus nth term of an AP is 0. So those who are thinking about the final punchline, don't you think at this moment, if you happen to think this, you are just going to get confused and you are going to take this sum as a very difficult question. Mind you, it's very easy. Right? Though it is not that easy as what we have done in the past sums, but still the question is very, very easy. Just take it step by step. The moment we start taking step by step, sum becomes very easy. So let's understand the first one. M times the mth term of an AP is n times the nth term. So what I'm going to say? Given that, what is given that? M times the mth term is n times the nth term. Am I right? As I stated earlier, Tn is a plus n minus 1d. Tm is a plus m minus 1d. That's what? So m times Tm, a plus m minus 1d. N times Tn, n, a plus n minus 1d. Any problem, children? No? Let's start solving. M, solve for first the inner parenthesis. A plus md minus d. Am I right? A plus md minus d. N, a plus nd minus d. A plus nd minus d. Now open this one. Ma plus m square d minus md is equals to na n square d minus nd. Now children, what I want you to do is bring everything on one side so as to get equal to 0 format. Bring everything on one side so as to get equal to 0 format. Now sir, why you have thought in that direction, equal to 0 format? I never thought. It is a question told me. I want the m plus nth term of an AP to be 0. So I'm not giving you any rectified answer. Nor I'm trying to say by heart this. This is a very important question. So by heart this step. What? Bring everything on one side. I will never ask any of my child to by heart. I'll always derive from the question. It is a question's demand to get it 0. That's the reason we are, asking all the terms to go over here. Acha, if those who are feeling that we can ask these terms to go over here, absolutely yes. We can ask the RHS to go on to the LHS. Likewise, we can ask the LHS also to go on to the RHS. Choice is yours. In short, we have to have equal to 0. Whether you shift this fellow here or this fellow here. Choice is yours. Are you getting me? MA, first one, minus NA. I am rearranging also. Plus m square d minus n square d minus md plus nd. This one goes over here, becomes plus, equal to 0. Are you getting me, children? Right? Now, what can I take common? Can I take a common? M minus n. What can I take common? Sir, can you take d common? M square minus n square. Sir, if you happen to take d common, you will have minus m plus n. But if you happen to take minus d common, the inner sign will change. So I shall have m minus n equals to 0. Let's check whether I have done it correct or not. When I said minus d common, this m will come here, the inner sign will change and I shall get n. Open down the bracket to cross check yourself. D into m, that is minus d into m, minus md. Minus of minus plus nd. Right? So we have done nothing wrong. Now, sir, this is a square minus b square. So expand it. A into m minus n plus d into a minus b, a plus b, that is m minus n, m plus n, minus d into m minus n equals to 0. Am I right? Everywhere you can see m minus n is common. Everywhere m minus n is common. So m minus n common. A from the first term is left plus d, m minus n is already outside, so I'm left with m plus n. I'm left with minus d because m minus n is outside, is equals to 0. Right? Sure. What next? Divide by m minus n on both the sides. Divide by m minus n on both the sides. When you divide by m minus n both the sides, this will get 0, matlab m minus n will get cancelled off, and 0 upon m minus n is, so what I'm left with? A plus d into m plus n minus d is equals to 0. Now, if I take something common over here, what I shall say? A plus m plus n, d is common, so can I say d here minus 1 d common, so d into minus 1 minus d into m plus n, d into m plus n. Are you getting me? And this is nothing but t m plus n. This value is nothing but t m plus n. T m plus n is equals to 0. We are done. Now I know that there are very handful of students who have understood this. Maybe all of them have understood till here. Then I made you understand this, that when I take d common, though actually we take common normally ahead, I'm taking it behind so as to get a perfect format. I'm going to make you understand over here. When I take d common, am I left with minus 1? When I take d common, am I left with m plus n minus 1? I think so. Things are getting digested at this point, but this point is what you people fail to understand. So let's understand the way in which we have learned Tn. What is Tn? Just tell me, children. Now this is what the explanation is. Mind you, my sum is done. So what is this? This is mere an explanation. If somebody says Tn, then what do you write down? A plus, do we write down n minus 1d? So whatever is the value here, can you say you are putting that suffix to t? Tn, a plus n minus 1d. So tomorrow, or second instance may, if I say that Tm, it is a plus, you only say m minus 1d. m. Say Tr is a plus r minus 1d. So whatever I write down, that is what the term is. So a minus 1d minus 1d. Don't you think so that at every case without saying, I would like you to understand. Now, clear? We are done with our sum.